remove this. We know all the data for this question. Okay, you can see down. So first of all, we are now going to sample this signal. Okay, so see here x in of t. X in of t is sampled. Okay, so this is my sampling switch. Sampling what switch? Sampling switch. Okay, sampling switch at what ts second interval. How much is this? 1 by 16. 1 by 16,000 second. Yes, 1 by 16,000 second. For this duration, it is switching. Okay, so this switch is on and off for this duration. Okay, and here we will get what? We will get x in. We will get x in of nts. What? Nts. Okay, so which is equal to what? X in. X in of n. X in of n. So where x in of t is given as, see here, x in of t. X in of t is given as sine 2 pi into 4000 t. Okay, 4000 t. Just write here. So 1 by 16,000 second. This is sine 2 pi into 4000 t plus 0.75 sine 2 pi into 5000 t plus pi by 4. Yes, this is given. Now we are going to sample this signal and we will get x in of n. Okay, so this is what sample. Okay, sample signal. So now see here, x in of n is equal to what? Is equal to sine 2 pi into 4000, or you can say directly 8000 pi, and divided by ts is how much? Nts. Okay, so pi and ts, that is right, first nts. Okay, plus then 0.75 sine, this is what? 10,000 pi n ts. Okay, sine pi n ts plus pi by 4. So then if you see here, x in of n is equal to how much? Sine, this is nts, means 8000 pi n divided by fs. Yes, plus 0.75 sine 10,000 pi n by fs plus pi by 4. Yes, so then here x in of n, you will get sine 8000 pi n divided by 16,000. Okay, 16,000 sampling frequency plus 0.75 sine 10,000 pi n divided by 16,000 plus pi by 4. Yes, so here now just divide this. What we will get here? If you will see, we will get x, and if x in of n as x in of n as sine, when we will divide this, we will get pi by 2 n plus 0.75 sine 5 pi by 8 n plus pi by 4. Yes. So this is our what? This is discrete time signal. Okay. So that we have got by sampling. Okay. By sampling the continuous time signal at sampling frequency of 16,000. Okay. Hertz means 16,000 samples. We are taking 16,000 sample within 1 second. Okay. Within 1 second, and we have got this discrete time signal. Okay. So discrete time signal. So let us now do this further to in order to calculate DFT. Okay, in order to calculate what DFT. A DFT is given, that is 8-point DFT. Okay, we have given what 8-point DFT. 8-point DFT is given, so that is here 8-point DFT, that is given as x of m is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e to the power minus j2 pi mn divided by n, or you can say summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into twiddle factor n to the power this m. This is my twiddle factor. W n is nothing but e to the power minus j2 pi n divided by capital N. Yes, so this is what twiddle factor. So this is given, and he is asking about determine x of 0. Okay, x of 0. What is x of 0? When we will put here x of 0, what we will get x of 0 as n is equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here n is given as what 8. Okay, 8-point sample, 8-point DFT. 8-point DFT is given, so n is equal to 0 to 7. Yes, 7 x of n into e to the power j 2 pi into 0 into n divided by n. This is something, this is what e to the power 0. So what we will get this as summation n is equal to 0 to 7 x of n e to the power j 0. Okay, so the value of x of 0, that we will get summation n is equal to 0 to 7, and it is x of n. Okay, x of n. So this is my value of x of 0. So now our target is what? Our target is to determine this summation x of n. So which is nothing but x of 0 is equal to what? Is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3 plus x of 4 plus x of 5 plus x of 6, x of 6 plus x of 7. Yes, this we want to calculate, and this all question is about to determine x of 0. This is DFT at x is equal to DFT at origin. Okay, DFT at 0. So we have to find this. So for finding this is actually what x in. So where x of n is nothing but here x of n is nothing but x in of n. Okay, remember this is in. Okay, x of n is equal to x in of n. Okay, so now see, first of all we want to calculate, see directly, if we see this, first of all x of 0, let us now this, then after that we will put all this value here. Okay, in this expression, first let us start from x of 0. What is x of 0? Here x of 0, just put value of n is equal to 0. What you will get here? You will get sine 0. Okay, so this is what sine 0 is, what 0 plus 0.75 sine what sine pi by 4. What you will get here? You will get 0.75 into this is 1 by root 2. This is root 2. So what is this? Root 2. Yes, you will get 0.53. 0.53. Okay. So value of this. Now x of 0. X of 0 is equal to what? X of 1. Now x of 1 is equal to what? X of 1, just put value of n is equal to 1 here. Okay. Sin pi by 2 is what? 1. 1. Then plus 5 pi by 8. 5 pi by 8. Okay. So this is my 5 pi by 8. Just what is this total angle? If you will see here, this total angle is, this is 5 pi by 8. Okay. So 2 pi by 8. So 5 plus 2 7. 7 pi by 8. When we will multiply 7 pi by 8, it will come 7 pi by 8. Okay. So 7 pi by 8. 7 into 180 pi by 8. 8. So this is 157.5. So value of sine 157.5 is what? Sine 157.5 is 0.3826. So this is what? 0.75 into 0.3826, which is nothing but 1 point into 0.75 plus 1. So 1.287. 1.287. Yes. So this is value of x of 1. Similarly, x of 2 is equal to what? X of 2 means sin pi. This is 0 plus. So this is n equal to 2. Just put here n equal to 2. It will come 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. 5 plus 6. 6 pi by 4. So this is 6 pi by 4 means it is sine 3 pi by 2. Yes, 3 pi by 2. And here multiplication is 7.75. So it will come minus 0.75. Yes. Similarly, x of 3. X of 3 is what? 3 sine 3 pi by 2 is what? Minus 1. Yes, minus 1. Then put here n is equal to 3. So it will come n equal to 3. 15 plus 2 17. So this is 17 into 180 divided by 8. So this is 382.5. So plus sine 382.5 degree, okay, into 0.75. What we will get here? Sine 382.5 into 0.75. So minus what? So this is minus 0.713. Yes. So similarly here x of 4 sine 2 pi is 0 plus. If you will put here 4, what you will get here? By putting 4, you will get here 4 2s are 8. 5 pi by what? 5 pi by 2. Yes, 5 pi by 2 means 10 pi by 4. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 pi by 4 means 11 into 45. So this is 495. Yes, so this is sine 495 degree. So you will get here into multiplication into what? 1 by into 0.75. So this is what? 0.75, and you will get here, this is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 0.75, and you will get here 0.53. So this is x of 4. X of 5 is what? X of 5 sine 5 pi by 2 is positive, so it is 1. So it is 1 plus sine 5. Just put here 5. What is this value? 5 25 to 27. Okay, so 27 into 180 divided by 8. Okay, so we will get here 607.5. What? Degree. Yes, degree into 0.75. When you will multiply this, we will get 607.5.5, so into 0.75, so 0.75, so it is plus 1, so you will get 0.307. Yes, similarly x of 6, if you will see here, x of 6, okay, this is 6, this is 6 means this is 15, 16, okay, 16, so 6, here you will get 0 plus, so this is 1.75, so this is sine, yes, sine, how much is this, sine 7, 20 degree, okay, so now see, this is what, 0 plus 0 is equal to what, 0, so now x of 6 is how much, x of 6 is equal to what, 0, yes, so this is x of 6, now see here, x of 7, just put the value of 7 here, sine 7 pi by 2 is how much, minus, this is what, minus, plus, now plus, this is what, minus 0.75 into sine, so just put this 7 here, how much you will get, 7, 35, this is what, 35 plus 2, 37 into 180, how much, 660 divided by 8, so this is 832.5, what, degree, how much is this, 832.5, this is 832.5, this will get 0.9238 into 0.75 minus 1, so how much is this, minus 0.307, okay, so this is minus 0.307, okay, so now see, just sum up all these point from 0 to 7, okay, so let us now see here what we will get, so just add on all this number that we have get from here, so let us see here, x of 0, is equal to what, so this is 0.53 plus, so then it is 1.287, then this is minus 0.75, so then this is minus 0.713, so then 0.53 plus 0.307, then plus 0 plus, then minus 0.307, okay, so now just add all these number, we will end up with 0.53 plus 1.287 minus 0.75 minus 0.713 plus 0.53 plus 0.307 minus 0.307, so this number is 0.884, so we will end up with 0.884, okay, so 0.884, so this is what value of x of 0, and here imaginary part is 0, okay, so this is my real part plus j0, okay, so this is what positive, because if you see this x of 0 plus 0.53, okay, this is positive 1.286 minus 0.75 minus 0.713, so 0.53 0.307, okay, so yes, it will come 0.884, okay, 0.884, yes, if you see the option is given as, means imaginary part in all the option is non-zero, what, non-zero, so therefore the imaginary part which is non-zero, all the option is wrong, yes, the only option is here where the imaginary part is given as 0, so that is the correct answer, but all the option is not matching here because the real part is also given 0 where imaginary part is given 0, so if you see, the correct answer is this, but according to the options, you can go for answer. You can go for answer. Here, according to what? According to option. According to option, you can say x of 0 is equal to what? Given as j0. So this, okay, because here imaginary part is 0. So almost which is closer to this answer is what? The option which has imaginary part 0. So we can say the answer is this, but all the option is not correct. But correct option that we have got here. So this is what image real part, because imaginary part by seeing only this, okay. So first time only you can observe. So this is what this part, this whole part is what? Real. Yes, this whole part is real. So therefore here real part. So therefore you can say directly x of what? X of 0, that will come what? Real. Real part is non-zero. Real part is non-zero plus imaginary part is 0. Okay, it will come in this form only. Imaginary part is always 0. So therefore you have, so you have to go for the option this. If this option is not present in the, okay, present with the question, this option is not there, so then definitely you go for this, okay. If it is, if the option is this, then you have to definitely go for this option, and but this option is not there, so then you have to go for this. Why? Because the imaginary part here is given what? 0. Okay, here is what? Imaginary part is 0, so there is nowhere the value that we are getting for imaginary is non-zero. Okay, so that is the option. You can say the option is what? Option B is correct. So then according to that, the option B is correct. Okay, so actual answer, that is, this is actual answer. Okay, so there is no need what? There is no need to go for this explanation also. Why? Because in according to exam, when you are doing, then observation is very important during the examination. Okay, during the multiple choice question. Okay, during solving the multiple choice question, the observation is very important. If you have observed first time only, it is real. It is real means, no, it is real value, because x of n have all real value, so there is no imaginary value. Okay, imaginary value is always 0. So therefore in option, if you see, option 3 option is with non-zero imaginary value, so automatically 3 option has gone. Okay, automatically 3 option has gone. Why? Because imaginary value there, that is given as non-zero. Okay, so therefore definitely you will go to the option which has imaginary value 0. Okay, according to that, the option B is correct. Okay, but exact answer is this. Okay, that we have, calculated here, properly. Okay, so that's all about this question number 35. Okay, so question number 35. So thank you very much for your support. Okay, so thanks.